This video will give you an example of how to do MLA outline formatting on the iPad. First, you'll note that there are different levels, and I'm going to create some more levels throughout this. I just wanted to show you what levels look like. And you can see that the first level, the header, is going to be in all caps. Okay, that's just a part of MLA formatting. And then the subheaders or secondary headings are going to be capital letters. If we were to have tertiary headings, then we would use numbers, Arabic numbers for those, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so how do we format it in Word? Okay, so you can see that I have the current traffic problems as the first header, and that congestion and accidents are their secondary headers. So now the second problem is that we have afternoon rush. So we're going to format this by coming up to the alphanumerical list up here, and we're going to select Roman numerals. So that makes it heading 2. All right, now we're going to come down to proposed solutions, and we're going to tab this because this is one of our solutions. So this is a secondary heading. So we're going to tab it, and we're going to make this a letter, a capital letter. Okay, so that means that it's a second level heading. And we're going to come down here, and these are some of the solutions that we want to look at. So more highway lanes is a solution. So this is a tertiary level. So you want to tab this over 2 times so that we know that it goes under proposed solutions. And we're going to make this a number, an Arabic number. And we're going to do the same thing for the other 2. Tab it over, make it a number.
Like, everything to their hands isn't that easy.
If you move something over too far and you want to bring it back a level, all you have to do is use the back a level or over a level buttons at the top, and that'll fix that. And now we have proper MLA formatting. Some suggestions that I would make to you is maybe to type out all of your document just the way I did and then worry about the levels. That might make it easier than trying to do it, type a level, and then do another one, type a level. This works pretty well the way I just showed it to you. It might seem counterintuitive, but it might be a good idea to do it this way. So that's just a suggestion I'm going to make to you, to type all your text first and then put them in levels according to the formatting that you need.